Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate what I do here, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, triple Q and SPY gapping down. Today probably would be a sideways market. And even in a side market, we may get some good opportunities. Going into market open, I'll be watching SPY for potential call and put opportunities. We do have around 6 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching SPY. Could have taken it based off the EMA, hesitated. Now it would be like chasing. I did not want to take a trade on the first 5 minutes. Being patient, failed off the EMA again, could not get it. I feel like I missed it. 15 minutes into market open, no trades. SPY making new lows, not getting a convincing bounce. Testing my patience here. See how it came down to 850 and now it's back to 10. Not chasing. I'm sitting on the sidelines. Unless I get a quick rebound, I'll not be interested because right now it's way overextended to the downside. And maybe I'll be buying the top. So tiring. I started watching strike price 3750 from $7. Now is at $14. I think today it's going to be a tough day. Literally, we're not getting any entries. Really getting frustrated here. Getting in at 560. Yep. Added. I added again. Out of 4. I'm just holding 2 contracts. Out. $200 at least. Got my feet wet. I waited for almost 35 minutes to get my first trade. Wow. Next stop would be around this area. Can it break above the 8 EMA? Did not get to my level. I did not take a second trade anticipating an EMA fail because this candle closed really strong. Now I'll keep waiting. $450. I'm in. Got out of 2. Now just holding 2 contracts. Sold. Now just holding 1. Out. $375. I'll take it. $640 I got in. Got out. That was a quick scalp. That puts me over $600 on the day. SPY is clearly trading within this window. Finding it extremely difficult to continue trading as it's not opening up either to the upside or to the downside. So I think it would be a good time to call the day off and protect my profits. Over 1 hour, making $600, I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.